We scheduled 24 appointments and were able to get 2 installs. I was blown away. They're doing it right. My name is Younes Haddouche. I'm the general manager and sales director of the Northeast Atlantic Pure region. But essentially, I handle all the problem solving and day-to-day decision making for the operations. I'll be very honest with you. When I first saw the presentation for Snoball, I was very apprehensive. And this is a true story. I hammered him with questions. It was very interesting because I didn't hold anything back. And we all left that meeting thinking that this software, this program, it's not something that's going to work for our industry or for what we do. What I respected tremendously is they made an effort to say, hey, we really believe in our product and feel that it can help you get more reviews and get more referrals. And we'd like to provide you with an opportunity to just try it out, test it. We got the ball rolling. No pun intended there, but we got the ball rolling. The beauty about the process is the return on investment. And that really sets Snoball apart. Now, referrals are the least expensive lead source in any business, specifically in the home improvement industry. When the average lead cost is between $600 to $2,000 per name and number, Snoball has really fine-tuned that process. You're paying way less for Snoball to literally build that momentum, unintended this time, to get you more referrals and a higher quality lead. So to give you some insight on our trial, we provided Snoball with about 500 names. Now, the remarkable thing about these names is that these names have been sitting in our book of business for about a year. We scheduled 24 appointments and were able to get 2 installs from that one data set. I was blown away. Why is that incredible? Because these leads were basically archived. That's on the referral front. The other thing that really captured the great return on investment was the reviews. I was blown away to see how many reviews that were 5 stars that came back. So the ROI on that, tremendous. Your job is to make sure that the money that's being spent in your organization is getting the biggest bang for its buck, right? That you are getting the highest return on investment. And one thing that you hate more than anything is when money is left on the table. To be able to set up an automated process to say, hey, we just got 10 sales this month and 50% of them don't have reviews and 70% don't have referrals. Here you go, Snoball. Work your magic.